is Naomi, and today we're talking about strawberry jam. Do you want to make one? I knew you want to make. Let's get started to make. Sugar, strawberries, and even lemon. First, wash the strawberries properly and make it clean and freshly. Don't forget, you need to take off these leaves and also the stem from the strawberry. Cut off the top part of the strawberry and cut the strawberry into small pieces. Watch out of your fingers when you cut. It's okay to ask parents, guardians, or grandpa if you're afraid to cut it. And then find out how much grams is the strawberry that you have. Now we know there's 350 grams of strawberry. Now we added sugar. Do you know how many grams of sugar? Only a half of grams from the strawberries. Because there's 350 grams of strawberries. Remember that? So we need to divide into two parts on the 350, and that equals to 175. Only two parts of the 175 equals to 350. So we know that we need 175 grams of sugar, and we need to mix it together until there's no sugar allowed here. And sit this about 1 hour until it turns into juicy. Now it's time to squeeze this lemon juice out by using the fork, and then you need to scratch it and squish it out, the lemon juice out. About 1 hour later, let's take a look. Look at this, how juicy it's like. Now it's ready to cook the strawberry juice thing. First, turn into a high heat and wait until it boils. This part, ask an adult to help you cook in strawberry juice thing. Now it's boiled. Make sure to mix it from time to time. When it boils harder, make sure to turn down the heat into medium. And let it boil for a while. Make sure it boils a little bit thicker. And now the texture of the mixture got thickened. And now you see this color is getting darker. And now it's time to add the lemon juice. Give it a nice stir. And boil a little bit for a while. When it is shiny, turn down the heat to low and boil a little bit while. Now you can easily smash these strawberries into even smaller pieces. Now you finished making the strawberry jam. Good job! Try it. It's so hot. Careful. Place the strawberry jam in the jar carefully or else you got burned. When you already put the strawberry jam in the jar, wait until it cools down and put the cap on. Now, finally, I can make my own breakfast. It is pancakes with banana and then with strawberry jam. Yummy! I want to try one. Thank you so much for watching my strawberry jam video. Now, what do you want to do with the strawberry jam? You think? How about put it on your bread? That might be tasty. Or put an ice cream or a milkshake or anything you want to put, like waffles, or put it on yogurt. Yummy. Whatever you want to pick to dip on your strawberry jam. Cool. So if you want to wish to put the strawberry jam on salad, ew. You want to try it? Okay, you go try it. Try it. Does it taste good or bad? Okay, if you're happy to enjoy, please like, subscribe, or share my video. Bye. See you in the next video.